Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul, and today Josh is going to be taking a look at the hives, and we want to see if there's any honey that they don't want and that we might have. So let's do this. Now this hive was the weakest of the three hives, and I'm not expecting much out of it. That's a pretty good population of bees up top there. They might be working that pretty good. I think we'll take a look in here and see how they're doing, and we might put this one on the list to maybe do something with. Josh wants to take a picture of the frames to show me, and he's going to learn that you can't do that with your gloves on. Right, so here we're looking down the frames. It's tough to see. It'd really be better if we pull one out. There's a fair number of bees up here, especially in this corner. Alright, let's take a look at the second hive. This one has been pretty strong all year. I'm hoping to see a lot of effort up here. There's quite a fair number of bees up there. They look good. Okay, they look kind of busy here. The edges, of course, there's not much going on there. And it's really tough to see unless you pull some of the frames out. Looks like there might be some honey on the left-hand side. It's hard to tell until you get something pulled out. So let's go ahead and pull some out. Alright, Josh is having issues trying to get any of the frames out. They're really sealed in. So we'll have to come back with this probably. We'll see. We'll give it another shot.
Yeah, shoot. Try. Yeah, I failed miserably. I'm not kidding. I try to get out.
Alright, let's take a look at this last hive. This, I think, has been the strongest hive all year. So we want to take a look at it and see how they're doing. fair number of bees up top. Alright, pull these frames out, take a look at them one by one. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that one looks pretty good. We could harvest that one if we wanted. Now this was the frame on the very end, and it's pretty good. So I'm going to think that these are good to go all the way across, but let's take a look. I want to apologize for my voice. I've got a summer cold. Again, that's one that we could harvest if we wanted to. Alright, just still working a little bit in the middle. We could harvest that one if we wanted to. Yeah, that one's pretty much done too. So I think we could probably harvest that entire super.
Use the camera. I can't. There's no way I can use the phone. It's done. I did something mad.
It's interesting that so many of them are empty in the middle. Usually they work from the middle out. Some of these frames we need to change the foundation in. All right, so that's this one. I think we're gonna figure out a time to harvest this one. The other hives will harvest what we can, and I'm thinking that we will put whatever is left on the weakest of the hives, so they have a little more to get them through the winter.
Try.
All right, well, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. You too could be super cool if you give us one. All right, and as always, thank you very much, and have a great day. bye.